up, YouTube? It's your girl Cash. I'm back at it with another video. So if you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, I am going to be doing my first succulent terrarium. But before we get started, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you are a newbie, please comment and I will watch 2 minutes of your video and show your channel some love. So I'm outside. It's a nice little Sunday. Let me make sure I get some kind of like some type of music on. Ain't no copyright, so I'm gonna see if I can play it. If not, I'll just turn it down a little bit. Alright, so before we get started, I'm gonna show you my ingredient, the things I will be using in my aquarium, my terrarium. My mother, little backstory, my mother gave me this and I was like, I could do something with it. As you can see, it was stuff already in there, but it's old. But yeah, am I ghetto? Alright, so I got sand. Got this from the dollar store. I got potting soil from Walmart. I got a shovel from Family Dollar. I got more rocks. I got rocks from Walmart. I got this from Pedal Pushers. As you can see, from Pedal Pushers. This is one succulent number 1 from a black business called Pedal Pushers. I got this one from Walmart. And I think you guys seen these in my last video. I got this one as well from Walmart. I got this as well from Walmart. I got this little ladybug because if y'all know me, my grandma is basically my rock. And this is going to go inside because she's going to be the overseer of my plant. And I got some marbles that I may add. And I got these from Walmart. So, let's hop into it. As I said it prior, this was already in there and it looked like it was soil, moss, some type of plant. It looked like some octopus. That's not a plant, but you get what I'm saying. And then they have this little base. And I'm gonna keep this base. I'm gonna just take this soil out. Like that. And I want to be able to kind of like show y'all what I'm doing. Let me see if I can back it up. No, because you ain't gonna be able to see me because of the sun. Y'all can see this brick. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to see how y'all can see it. Let me see. Okay. We're getting somewhere. If I back it up, y'all still won't be able to see it. It's not tall enough. Perfect. That shit was heavy. Alright. So here's what it looked like. Y'all can still see me? Okay. First things first, I am going to be adding rocks. And this is my first time doing this, so I'm winging pretty much everything. And then I'm going to put a little bit of sand. Y'all, I seen this on YouTube. A little bit of sand. And this just helps the water travel. Then I'm gonna add some potting mix. I gotta tell you about my plants too, because I don't have a green, I must don't have a green thumb. My plants ain't green. I'm gonna show you. I'm a bad plant mom. Hold on. So I'm gonna do 3 scoops of this potting soil. I'm gonna take it out of here. Cause I want to clean it out. So y'all can still kind of see it. Okay, cool. So right now I have my rocks. You really can't see it. I have my sand and I have my soil because it's levels to this baby. All right, and I don't know if I should add the plant. Next, I'm gonna add one of the plants, which is the main one. I'm gonna try to dig it up. I'm gonna read. So I took some of that mulch off, so now all I have is the actual plant thing. Cause it was dying, and then I'm gonna take these dead ones off. Put that down there. I'm gonna put it over here to the. Oh man. We gotta get something to stick it up with. I'm gonna put it to the corner though. I'm gonna add all the plants all in one. That thing hurt. Succulent number 2. That was easy. I mean, that was succulent number 3. Succulent number 2. And put this around now. And I'm gonna do my layers one more time. Add my sand. And I'm gonna fill it up with soil. I hope I'm doing this right. The ice cream truck coming. And this is not messy at all. Yes it is, because I just made a mess. I'll take it like that. I think I'm gonna add maybe 3 or 4. I had some gloves, y'all, but I had some gloves, but they got wet in the bag due to the rain, and I just don't know. I'm gonna do one more swoop on the other side. Look at that dang on earth sitting on my face. What I don't do is bugs. I'm just trying to mess the smokes down. And I'm gonna just tell y'all that I'm really not a plant mom. Like, I don't have the green thumb like my grandma. However, something's gonna grow. That baby over there was lame. I guess he said. Thought he was. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, it's looking alright. I wish I would have had something to go over there. But we're gonna tip it off with some marbles. On the tip top. I know a mosquito tearing my ankles up. We're gonna do these little marbles on the top. Just kind of spread them around. Give it a little look. Do it a little nice little bling blah burr. And that's it. And put my grandma, my grandma don't go over there. Take this on now, Cash. Maybe add some more rock. So these rocks really is what's pushing and making it cute. And that is it, you guys. I did not want this to go over 15 minutes, and I'm at 14:46. So I hope you guys like this video. This is a succulent terrarium. This is my terrarium. I hope you guys like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and get these views up because y'all been a little slack. Okay. But yes, baby, you is leaning. Come on, what you got going on? Stand up for your rights. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. Love you all.